Hi guys, it's SweetTooth1967. Today we're looking at a German 3-quart cable I ordered off Amazon Prime. It was £20 and 31p. So I'm going to show you that. This is a cable I'm using to put power into the shed, or the wood shed. It's a heavy duty cable. Okay, that's it. Alright, so the make is I can't even see it, but anyway, it's German 25 metre cable. Alright. Takes some getting through this thing one. And where? Alright, so it's not armoured cable, but I knew that anyway. But it's a really thick cable, so it should be fine. I mean, it'll keep the rodents off and birds, and it's rot proof, waterproof, and it's also it's just basically outside waterproof cable, which is what I needed. So there's a hell of a lot of that. So obviously what I'm going to do is tie that up with some electrical tacks. But I thought I'd show you that. So yeah, I'll try and find out the actual name of it. It doesn't actually say. There's no instructions in the box in Amazon as usual. It's just an empty box with some paper. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So okay, it's just yeah, hang on. I should say something on the thing. It didn't say anything on there. Oh, that's right. That's what it was. It was the NY. Was it the UNYY something or other? Let's have a look. You can figure it out, guys. I'll put a full description on it on the video. Thanks, guys, for watching. And I'll catch you soon.